Think you've heard it all in school? Think again. From raining molten glass on distant planets to hidden gold inside your own body. These are the mind-blowing facts they never taught you in class, but definitely should have. Strap in, because what you're about to learn might just change how you see the world. Believe it or not, astronauts actually grow taller in space, up to 2 inches. Why? It's all about gravity. On Earth, gravity compresses our spine, keeping our vertebrae tightly packed. But in space, there's no gravity pulling your body down. That means the discs in your spine expand, and your body stretches out. It's kind of like decompressing a spring. The result? Astronauts return to Earth slightly taller than when they left. But don't get too excited. The effect wears off once they're back on Earth and gravity does its thing again. NASA tracks these changes carefully because stretching the spine too much can actually cause back pain in astronauts. So being taller isn't always a win. Far beyond our solar system, about 64 light-years away, there's a planet called HD 189733b, and it's terrifying. The entire atmosphere is made of silicate particles, which means when it rains molten glass. And not just any rain. The wind speeds on this planet reach up to 5,400 miles per hour. That's 7 times the speed of sound. Imagine molten glass flying sideways at that speed. It's like a sandblaster from hell. No life could ever survive there, and yet we can observe it from Earth thanks to telescopes like Hubble. The planet is deep blue in color, similar to Earth, but don't be fooled. That pretty blue comes from deadly heat and silicate particles, not water. Octopuses aren't just cool, they're biological weirdos in the best way. They have 3 hearts. 2 of them pump blood to the gills, and the third pumps it to the rest of the body. But here's the crazy part. When they swim, the heart that pumps to the body stops beating. That's why octopuses prefer to crawl rather than swim. Swimming literally tires them out faster. Oh, and their blood isn't red. It's blue. That's because it's copper-based, not iron-based like ours. Octopuses also have neurons in their arms, meaning each arm can kind of think on its own. They can literally taste and feel with their tentacles. Yes, you've got real gold inside you, but don't try to cash in just yet. The average human body contains about 0.2 milligrams of gold. It's mostly found in your blood and plays a role in things like joint health and enzyme function. It's not enough to get rich, but it's proof that even trace elements can matter. Gold is chemically non-reactive, which makes it ideal for medical use in implants and treatments. If we extracted all the gold from all the bodies on Earth, we'd only get about 50 kilograms, enough to make a small gold bar. Still cool, right? Yep, bananas are technically radioactive. They contain potassium, 40, a naturally occurring isotope that emits radiation. But before you panic and throw out your smoothie, here's the truth. You'd have to eat about 10 million bananas at once to suffer any harm from the radiation. Scientists even use a funny term called the banana equivalent dose to explain low levels of radiation exposure. This harmless radiation has even triggered false alarms at border control radiation sensors when large shipments of bananas pass through. Sharks have been swimming in our oceans for more than 400 million years. Trees, only about 350 million years old. That means sharks existed before leaves, wood, or even forests. These apex predators survived multiple mass extinctions, including the one that killed the dinosaurs. They're living fossils, unchanged in basic design for millions of years. Some Greenland sharks can live over 400 years, meaning there are sharks alive today that were born before the US even existed. This is straight out of Einstein's theory of relativity. Gravity actually warps time. The stronger the gravitational pull, the slower time moves. Since your feet are closer to Earth's center, time moves slightly slower down there than at your head. The difference is tiny, billionths of a second, but it's measurable. This concept is crucial to how GPS satellites work. Their clocks are adjusted for both their speed and weaker gravity, or GPS would be completely inaccurate. If you lived your entire life on top of a mountain, you'd technically age just a bit faster than someone at sea level. The moon may look calm, but it's not completely still. It experiences moonquakes caused by tidal forces from Earth, meteor impacts, and heat from the sun expanding the moon's surface. Some of these quakes are so intense they last for up to 10 minutes. NASA discovered them during the Apollo missions by placing seismometers on the moon. And guess what? That's why building moon bases is tricky. They need to be quake-proof. Some scientists believe deep moonquakes could be triggered by gravitational pull, meaning Earth is literally shaking the moon. And there you have it, 8 mind-blowing facts they definitely didn't teach you in school. From octopuses with 3 hearts to space stretching your spine, the universe is far stranger and more fascinating than we were ever told. If you learned something new today, give this video a like and share it with someone who loves surprising science. And hey, we've only scratched the surface. Subscribe for more jaw-dropping knowledge, and hit the bell so you never miss a fact that could blow your mind. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.